Many people think that traveling by van is only possible in the summer. This video will show you the winter van life experience. For us, winter travel is all about skiing. We like the ability to travel from one resort to another and park our chalet van at the ski lift. Sometimes, impossible to plan the trip in advance. For example, a new snow forecast makes us want to ski no matter what. We made it happen this time. We saw a blizzard in Tahoe, got into the van, and drove chasing the storm. You can always go to the mountains without worrying about booking a hotel if you have a van. Sometimes, it's impossible to find an available hotel at the last moment. Having a van gives you the freedom to choose where and when to be.